northwest of Costa Rica, canton of Guanacaste, 65 kilometers from the Liberia International Airport. A dot on the map points to a small city, La Cruz, Santa Cecilia. Nearby, in a 420-hectare site, the beauty of the forest shelters a group of people concerned with caring for it. It's El Bosque Nuevo. Mariposa, butterfly, papillon, farfalle, schmetterling, babuchka, hudie, paraja. In the Bosque Nuevo operates a butterfly farm and a research center. Born in the communion between the conservation of the environment and its species and the need to develop productive projects for the community. The organization is formed by a team of 16 workers, all neighbors, which preserve and take care of the trees and plants that host and feed our more than 80 species of butterflies. Butterflies play a vital role in the ecosystem, acting as pollinators and indicators of the well-being of the ecosystem. That is why we intervene with love and professionalism in each stage of their life cycle, when they lay their eggs, when the small larvae emerge and begin to feed on vegetation until they become large caterpillars that begin to weave their cocoons, during the apparent peace in the chrysalis that, however, encloses a profound metamorphosis from which emerges a butterfly that is born to its wonderful winged life, and in its adulthood and splendor, to restart the vital circle in a cared-for and ideal environment. The Bosque Nuevo has a network of small producers from the surrounding rural areas to cope with the growing demand of butterfly pupae around the world. With sustained production, we manage to provide pupae to butterfly farms, entrepreneurs, and researchers from America, Europe, and the Middle East. Since 100% of the profits are reinvested in acquiring property for their protection and afforestation, we invite you to adopt this idea. Live from and for nature. The Bosque Nuevo awaits you. Be a part of this mission.